Did you know that your pancreas could be sending you warning signals right now, and you might be completely missing them? Pancreatic issues affect millions of people worldwide, yet most of us ignore the early signs until it's too late. Your pancreas is working behind the scenes every single day, keeping your body running smoothly. But when something goes wrong with this vital organ, the consequences can be life-changing. Today, we're going to uncover the hidden signs your body uses to alert you about pancreatic problems, and more importantly, what you can do naturally to support this crucial organ. What makes your pancreas so important? Your pancreas is like a master chef and a hormone factory rolled into one incredible organ. It sits quietly behind your stomach, but don't let its humble location fool you. This organ is working overtime to keep you healthy in two major ways. First, your pancreas acts as your body's digestive powerhouse. Every time you eat, it releases special enzymes that break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates from your food. Think of these enzymes as tiny scissors that cut your food into smaller pieces, so your body can actually use the nutrients. But here's something amazing. Your pancreas also creates a slightly alkaline juice that neutralizes the strong acid coming from your stomach. Without this protective barrier, the acid would literally burn the walls of your small intestine. Your pancreas is essentially acting as your body's built-in antacid system. The second job your pancreas does is equally important. It produces two critical hormones called insulin and glucagon. Insulin helps lower your blood sugar when it gets too high, while glucagon raises it when it drops too low. This delicate balance keeps your energy levels steady throughout the day. When your pancreas isn't working properly, both of these systems can break down. Poor digestion leads to nutrient deficiencies and digestive problems, while hormone imbalances can eventually lead to diabetes. If you're finding this information helpful for understanding your body better, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to VIGORPHIL for more natural health wisdom. The silent threat of pancreatic disease. Here's what makes pancreatic problems so dangerous. They're masters of disguise. The most common issue affecting the pancreas is called pancreatitis, which means inflammation of the pancreas. This condition is incredibly sneaky because its symptoms often look exactly like other, less serious problems. Acute pancreatitis can hit suddenly with symptoms like vomiting, severe pain in the upper left part of your abdomen, and sometimes yellowing of your skin called jaundice. But here's the problem. These symptoms are almost identical to food poisoning or a stomach bug. Most people assume they just ate something bad and wait for it to pass. This mistake can be costly. During a pancreatitis attack, the healthy tissue in your pancreas can start breaking down rapidly. Without proper medical attention, permanent damage can occur. Even worse, many people feel better after a few days and think the problem has resolved itself. Unfortunately, what often happens is that acute pancreatitis quietly transforms into chronic pancreatitis. In this form, the disease slowly and steadily destroys healthy pancreatic tissue, replacing it with scar tissue that can't do the job. This leads to long-term digestive problems and increases your risk of developing diabetes. The scary part is that chronic pancreatitis can progress for years without obvious symptoms, silently stealing your pancreatic function bit by bit. 6 warning signs your pancreas needs attention. Your body has ways of telling you when your pancreas is in trouble, but you need to know what to look for. Here are 6 key warning signs that should never be ignored. Sign number 1, left side pain that wraps around. Pay attention to pain on your left side, especially if it seems to wrap around toward your back. This distinctive pain pattern is different from typical stomach pain and can be a clear signal from your pancreas. Sign number 2, recurring mystery illness. If you keep getting sick with what seems like food poisoning, but you can't figure out what's causing it, your pancreas might be the culprit. These episodes often happen without any obvious trigger. Sign number 3, trouble digesting fatty foods. When your pancreas isn't producing enough digestive enzymes, fatty foods become your enemy. If you consistently feel uncomfortable, bloated, or nauseous after eating foods like avocados, nuts, or coconut oil, this could indicate pancreatic enzyme deficiency. Sign number 4, strange bowel movements. This might not be pleasant to discuss, but it's important. If your stool appears oily, floats in the toilet, or contains visible pieces of undigested food, your pancreas may not be producing enough digestive enzymes. Sign number 5. Unexplained weight changes. Sudden weight loss or weight gain, especially when accompanied by constant fatigue, can signal pancreatic problems. When your pancreas can't properly digest food, your body either stores everything as fat or can't absorb nutrients properly. Sign number 6. Persistent bloating. While occasional bloating is normal, constant abdominal bloating that doesn't seem related to specific foods or your menstrual cycle could indicate chronic pancreatic inflammation. Remember, these symptoms can have other causes too, but if you're experiencing any of them regularly, it's worth discussing with a healthcare professional. What causes pancreatic problems? Understanding what damages your pancreas is the first step in protecting it. The good news is that many of the main causes are completely within your control. Dietary choices matter most. The biggest threat to your pancreatic health comes from your daily food choices. Regularly eating highly processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats forces your pancreas to work overtime. Fast food, packaged snacks, and sugary drinks are particularly harmful because they cause sudden spikes in blood sugar and require massive amounts of digestive enzymes. Alcohol is a major culprit. Alcohol consumption is one of the leading causes of pancreatitis. Even moderate drinking can gradually damage pancreatic tissue over time. The alcohol itself is toxic to pancreatic cells, and it also increases the risk of developing painful gallstones that can block pancreatic ducts. Stress takes a hidden toll. Chronic stress affects your pancreas in ways you might not expect. When you're constantly stressed, your body produces hormones that interfere with insulin function and increase inflammation throughout your body, including in your pancreas. Genetics play a role. While you can't change your genes, knowing your family history can help you take extra precautions. If diabetes or pancreatic problems run in your family, maintaining a healthy lifestyle becomes even more critical. The diabetes connection. Pancreatic damage and diabetes often go hand in hand. Watch for symptoms like constant thirst, frequent urination, persistent hunger, dizziness, unusual sleepiness, or a fruity smell in your urine. These signs suggest your pancreas may be struggling to produce enough insulin. 5 powerful foods for pancreatic health. The beautiful thing about natural health is that the same foods that taste great can also heal your body. Here are 5 scientifically backed foods that can help restore and maintain pancreatic health. Food number 1. Pumpkin, the pancreatic protector. Pumpkin deserves the top spot because it's one of the most pancreas-friendly foods on the planet. This vibrant orange vegetable is packed with carotenoids, which are powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. What makes pumpkin special is that it's incredibly gentle on your digestive system while providing excellent nutritional support. The high fiber content helps your pancreas work more efficiently by slowing down sugar absorption and promoting healthy digestion. Try making a simple pumpkin soup by steaming cubed pumpkin with vegetable broth, onions, and ginger. You can also roast pumpkin seeds for a healthy snack that provides additional minerals and healthy fats. Food number 2. Jerusalem artichoke, the metabolic healer. This unusual tuber might not look like much, but it's a powerhouse for pancreatic health. Jerusalem artichoke contains special compounds that help normalize your metabolism and reduce pancreatic inflammation. Research shows that Jerusalem artichoke juice can help prevent diabetes complications and support healthy blood sugar levels. The inulin fiber in this vegetable also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in overall digestive health. You can eat Jerusalem artichoke raw in salads, roast it like potatoes, or juice it for maximum therapeutic benefit. Food number 3. Blueberries, nature's medicine. Blueberries are like tiny medicine capsules created by nature. Both the berries and the leaves contain compounds that help lower blood sugar naturally and stimulate healthy pancreatic function. The antioxidants in blueberries specifically target inflammation in the pancreas while supporting overall cellular health. During acute pancreatic episodes, blueberries should be consumed in pureed form to make them easier to digest. Try adding a handful of fresh blueberries to your morning smoothie or brew blueberry leaf tea as a therapeutic drink. Food number 4. Turmeric, the golden healer. This bright yellow spice is one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been shown to stimulate healthy insulin production and protect pancreatic cells from damage. Regular turmeric consumption may also help prevent gallstones, which are a common trigger for pancreatitis. The anti-inflammatory effects can help calm an irritated pancreas and support the healing process. Add turmeric to curries, smoothies, or make golden milk by mixing turmeric powder with plant-based milk and a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption. Food number 5. Red grapes, the cellular protector. Red grapes contain resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens blood vessels and fights cellular damage. This compound specifically helps protect pancreatic cells from free radical damage and supports healthy circulation to the pancreas. The anti-inflammatory properties of red grapes can help reduce pancreatic inflammation and may even offer some protection against pancreatic cancer. Choose organic red grapes when possible and eat them with the skin on for maximum antioxidant benefit. Which of these 5 healing foods are you most excited to add to your daily routine? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to VIGORPHIL for more natural health discoveries. Additional pancreatic support foods. Beyond the top 5, there are several other foods that can provide excellent pancreatic support. Plant-based yogurt alternatives. While traditional dairy yogurt isn't recommended, plant-based yogurts made from coconut, almond, or oat milk can provide beneficial probiotics. These good bacteria support your overall digestive health and can help reduce inflammation throughout your digestive system. Look for unsweetened varieties without artificial additives, colors, or preservatives. The probiotics will help maintain a healthy gut environment that supports pancreatic function. Leafy green vegetables. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard provide essential minerals and antioxidants that support pancreatic health. There are also alkalizing foods that help balance your body's pH levels. Whole grains, quinoa, brown rice, and oats provide steady energy without causing blood sugar spikes that stress your pancreas. These complex carbohydrates also provide fiber that supports healthy digestion. Creating your pancreatic health action plan. Now that you understand the warning signs and healing foods, it's time to create a practical plan for supporting your pancreatic health naturally. Start your day right. Begin each morning with a glass of warm water with fresh lemon juice. This gentle detox drink helps stimulate your digestive system and provides vitamin C to support cellular healing. Focus on anti-inflammatory eating. Build your meals around whole, unprocessed plant foods. Fill half your plate with colorful vegetables. Add a serving of whole grains, and include healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and seeds. Stay consistently hydrated. Proper hydration is crucial for pancreatic health. Aim for at least 8 glasses of pure water daily, and consider herbal teas like ginger or chamomile for additional anti-inflammatory benefits. Manage stress naturally. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or spending time in nature. Chronic stress directly impacts pancreatic function, so stress management is not optional. Get quality sleep. Your pancreas does important repair work while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support optimal pancreatic function. When to seek professional help. While natural approaches are powerful, it's important to recognize when professional medical care is necessary. If you experience severe abdominal pain, persistent vomiting, jaundice, or any combination of the warning signs we discussed, seek medical attention immediately. Early detection and treatment of pancreatic problems can prevent serious complications and preserve your long-term health. Never ignore persistent symptoms, hoping they'll resolve on their own. A healthcare professional can perform proper diagnostic tests and work with you to create a comprehensive treatment plan that may include both conventional and natural approaches. Your journey to better pancreatic health starts today. Your pancreas has been working faithfully for you every single day of your life, often without any recognition or thanks. Now that you understand how to recognize its calls for help and how to support it naturally, You have the power to protect this vital organ. Remember, small, consistent changes in your daily habits can lead to significant improvements in your pancreatic health over time. You don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight. Start by adding 1 or 2 of the healing foods we discussed, pay attention to your body signals, and gradually build healthier habits. The foods we've discussed today aren't just beneficial for your pancreas. They support your overall health, boost your energy levels, and help prevent many chronic diseases. When you nourish your body with whole, natural foods, every organ system benefits. Join our community of natural health enthusiasts by subscribing to VIGORPHIL and ringing that notification bell so you never miss our latest health discoveries. Your future self will thank you for taking action today to protect your pancreatic health naturally. What's one change you're going to make this week to better support your pancreatic health? Share your commitment in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey to better health.